guys, I will have another piece of cheesecake for me, and my husband said it's really big for me. My god, just a lot bigger because her piece is a little bit smaller. So this cheesecake is with gelatin. That's why, you know, the jelly. Like that. And we have a jam here that I did also, but without gelatin, so it doesn't sit. This one is the same thing. There's a gelatin, so it's holding. So let's eat now. Mukbang time. Bon appetit to everyone. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Let's cut with a spoon and you will see. Check. It's gelatin, the one doing that, guys. My god. Really yummy. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.